All right, team, let's build this together.
Here comes another one.
Perfect teamwork, everyone. Safety always comes first on my site. I check my helmet and my gloves. Perfect. Now we can start drilling. Great job following the safety rules. Smart work makes a great team.
Everything is looking perfectly on track today.
Let's add some color to this house.
That looks absolutely beautiful.
Welcome to your new dream home. We built it just for you.